Hello my people, how na dey? See this video wey they play for here, I go put am for now make una lis ten to wetin happen. You see that our country, we know say the people wey dey lead us, they no good o, they no good. But some of citizens wey be say dey inside that our country, na dem na e come still worst pass. No be lie o, na dem worst pass o. According to this video wey be say I go play for una dey see for up for here, this man say this filling station, e dey go there all the time go dey buy fuel. I know say some people dey wey be say dem get their filling station wey dem just dey go, no be because of say dem dey pay them, but e just like the way wey dem take dey do for there, you know, those things. Maybe you just go there, dem no dey wait make you stay too much before dem attend you, know all those things. He say na this filling station na dey go all the time wey be say he wan go buy fuel. Suddenly he come dey look and say e be like say dem dey dupe am money. He say na 3 weeks ago he say he come this filling station. As far as say the money wey dem write for for the this thing, for the 1 liter of fuel, in the calculator, you understand, say maybe you know how your tank be, you understand, you know how much go full am, because if na half, you know, so okay, according to the money wey dem put for there, then maybe na 20 liter dem go put for your tank, maybe na 10 liter, you know, all those things. He said when he come 3 weeks ago, he come see say something was not good, something get as e be. He just like, okay, maybe na him wrong. He say another one, he come still go again, the same thing come still happen. Today now wey be say he can't go again, he come say no, he go carry phone. He go carry phone, he go video. Now this man come the video them wey be say then they put the fuel for a tank. He can't give them the card, make them take withdraw money. You know say that they give the card. Say they come dey do a kuru for there. The fuel wey be say he come out was 26,000 naira. Okay, so they come tell am say na 39,000 na the total amount. He can't give them. He already done the you know, say when you dey suspect somebody, you don already dey know, say see the step wey dem dey take. Okay, me I follow up. Now this man come follow up with them. After when dem don withdraw the money and everything, then the man come burst say, why una dey do like this? Buhari no good, Tinubu no still good though, no be say dem good, but una wey be say una dey for the country, why una dey join all this bad government, they bring people down. Why una dey do this kind thing? He no be person wey be say get money, he still na person wey still dey manage small like una. Why 26,000 na una put for fuel? Why e come be so una come tell am say na 39,000 na una put, and he can't even give una card? They come collect the money, get the way they take do am, come take the 15,000 wey top am, put am for the account. Now this man cut change follow them. He cut change follow them, carry camera, the video them. So the man come dey like, they do video, they tell people say anybody wey come here, make una dey open una eye, because this money they not dey pluck am. People dey work. He don dey think and say why this thing dey happen. Abi na he not dey calculate am well. He say today come say no, he wan follow them. As dem dey do am, the man come dey record. Dem no know say the man dey record them o. Una know say this phone of 18, anything I talk, make you just plug and you dey record. Dem dey think say maybe they receive call, maybe they do another thing. Not knowing say the man just dey record them. Then the man tell them, so yeah, mona do something. He no fit come here, say because he come buy fuel 26,000, una go even collect extra. Wetin he use and take follow na buy. Now the man cut change follow them. Come they like, you know, everywhere come they people come they gather. It's okay now. Is this one now? The man say it's not okay, because wetin una dey do for this country, una even worse past people wey even dey lead us. How come una write and see the amount wey be say the fuel supposed to be? Una come put una own, because okay, he come now, una put money. The other person come na put money. The other person come na put money. After maybe 30 days, una don't even make money pass the person wey even open the filling station. Now the man tell them say, oh yeah, make una return my money back. Not be small thing, my people. They return the man money, because the man, because you see, when you get proof, it good well. Because if you don't get proof, Say maybe you dey call the talk and say this one, that one. You if say I dey on record, una dey go internet. Na internet I wan put una so. Now if people come dey like beg the man, they use that. He say don't touch me. What can I not touch me? Una know how much be 15,000. 15,000 if I give my wife say make say still go buy something for body. He not go say he not go insult me now. Now he go say thank you honey. When you go come here, come follow na buy fuel, na go even collect money 15,000. Not be saying na 5 naira una take o. Not be saying na 1,000, 15,000. Una comot 15,000. How much come for the money where they receive? How much? Una see the way they take they do. If una want go buy fuel, make una they come down. Now make some people they will come down. They will make sure say they stand for them. Because why? This money, they know they sleep, they see how. You must work before you see how. They go stand because they don't know, say, the way they tell they do something. All these people, they will tell you, say, maybe they will put a fuel, 10,000. 10,000, they not go put, they will put 5,000 for you. And you go reach out, you come, they ask yourself, say, I just go there, go there. Why this way just finish? You go come, they ask yourself. Not be the real amount they put for you. Even people where they go, they carry gal or go, they buy. The same thing that they happen to them. You'll see some people go say, I just buy fuel yesterday. I put them for Jane. The fuel don't finish. I don't know. Now those people, now so they tell they do, and they will tell you because not be everybody they like to stand to they watch how much everything. You know, not be everybody. Some people they maybe still get another thing to do. You know, just stand for them. Now this man say now so now they do for year. Hey, my people, you now see the way be say that country go be. You now not see say not be only people where they lead also. The citizen then they come even worse pass safe. Now they come worse pass because they don't want anything where go good for that country. Not be lie oh. Your country said they can't give you fake drink. Your country said many things where be said they happen for them. Not be only the leaders, my people. Not be lie. Because sometimes it's good men will see the truth. You collect 15,000 for only one car. Another car you collect 20,000. Another one how much? Maybe in a day go make 300 or a million because many people now they go there go they buy fuel. Not be everybody one stand they look how much you put, how much you not put. Make I put this video for now, make una watch. As you watch finish, my people, help me share this video because this money, they know they sleep, they see now work, now you go work. 15,000 naira for Nigeria. Now, if you dash one person, you go happy. When you don't go buy fuel, they'll come remove one for your money. Can you imagine? Not be said then dash and money, or not be said then dash and fuel. Even buy, it costs you pay. Anyway, my people, thank you for watching. God bless you. As I see this video, I need to bring out. No, say then they do all these things all the time. All these people where be saying they sell fuel. I don't know why they do because this one now way do and now they go drive them for work because person way get there go see that video. They go drive them because you're not ready to work. Then they pay you your salary. If you put fuel for somebody car, if you tell them say, bros, if you give me something, I say drink water. That one ain't good pass down when you go they collect their money. Eh? All right, my people. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.
This is Mobile Petrol Station. Mobile Petrol Station. Jakonde. Right directly opposite. Directly opposite. This is the third time in 3 weeks that I will buy fuel. My fuel at 3/4. I know it should not exceed 25,000. They will rub off the bill and put 39,000 on the bill for me.
Oh God, that one not be matter of this week. What I tell you now, this one is not all like that, Chairman.
Mobile.
Then they talk to each other.
Stop touching me. What? Stop touching me. Don't please me. Do the right thing. Don't please me. Mobile, Jakonde, 3 different stations, petrol pumps. That's what they do. What madness? The country will show its madness. Is this government? Can I have my card? Mobile. This is going right onto social media. What do you mean, Oga? Am I lying against you?
Oh, you are begging me.
Why are you begging me? Do the right thing. Why are you begging me? 3 times in 1 week. You are begging me. Why are you begging me? Sorry for what? Sorry for what? Why would you sell fuel of 26,000 and charge me 39,500?
No, he said
it did not rub off. Every time, 3 times in 1 week, it is rubbing off. What madness is that? The guy that came here that came to change. I was looking at it from a mirror. They thought I was distracted. I'm talking for myself. Okay, give me. Is this government? Is this government? 3 times. First time, the guy had to transfer the 15,000 naira back to me. I recorded it.
Is this saving or current?
Current. Madness. Everybody on that's what they do. The guy came behind him to change it. I was looking at them from my mirror. This is government too, Abi. Please give me my receipt. No, madam. Are you part of them?
No.
You work here. That is why. Is it good? 3 times in 1 week. Even if I'm stealing money. Is this government? Why will people, you will make sure they look at it when you want to start? Because show 0. By the time they finish, I'm going to say nonsense. It's okay.